Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anuj, and in the last video we had seen how do we download Python onto our systems. In this video I'm going to show you how do we test the current version of Python installed onto your systems. So without any delay, let's get started. So we are going to use terminal for this. So let's get into it. So for accessing terminal, you can use the shortcut called command plus space. Or if you see at the top of your Mac screen, there should be a magnifying glass option. Find that out, and once you click on it, type terminal. So when terminal opens, you will have a window that looks like this. Once you want to check what version of Python is installed, you can type the command which is Python version, and it will show you the current version of Python installed onto the system. And in case you're getting the error for some reason, in case it's saying command not found or something, it's because on Mac OS by default Python 3 is installed. So if the command is not working, you can try the second command, which is this Python 3, and it should work for you. So either of these commands will work for you. The reason in my case it is not throwing an error is because I have installed Anaconda Navigator to use Python programming for it. And if you want to know how to install Anaconda Navigator, and within this how do we set up an environment, so I'm going to show you in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to show you in the next video how do we write our first code in the terminal using Python, and if there is any application that we can install to run our Python scripts. So thank you so much. I'll see you around.